Pork steak, y'all. Let's get it. Oh yeah, while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, we need to start off by raining on this here pork steak. Hit it with a little salt, a little pepper. Fresh, of course. Always fresh. After we get everything seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with a little lime juice. Just 1/2 of a lime, that's all. 1/2. Then we're gonna go ahead and move our pork steak out the way. And we're gonna add in some onions and radishes. And we're gonna hit that with a little olive oil. And then we're gonna give that a little mixy mix. So of course we have to go ahead and rain on. Hit them with a little pepper. A little salt. Then we're gonna add our pork steak back on the top, and that's gonna allow that meat juice to drip down on them onions and radishes. Oh my goodness, they're gonna be so tasty. So we're gonna go ahead and set our oven up. We're gonna set it to bake. We're gonna set our temperature to 300 degrees. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our time set, and we're gonna set that to 25 minutes. Take a look at that bad boy. About to go in. See you when you come out, player. See you when you come out. So after 25 minutes, it's ready to come on out of there. So let's get it out. Now I took it out at 145 internal temperature, which took basically the whole time. So let's cut into this and see what she looked like. Oh my goodness, cutting like butter, y'all. Cutting like butter. Oh yeah, just so tasty, y'all. Just so tasty. Now take a look at that there, y'all. Look at that close up. Oh my goodness. That's perfectly cooked right there. Perfectly cooked. And we gonna taste this. Yum, yum, yum. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.